What will distance learning be like at Hoover? School's tomorrow. We miss school. Welcome to class. Welcome to the Hoover community. Our first week of school at Hoover Middle School, presented by Hoover Web Yearbook. Welcome to middle school. Did you see us on the news? Remember, Hawk families, we got this. So pick your pick, get set up for distance learning. Check your tech, be online on time for homeroom with Hartung. So how'd it go? We had ups and downs. The reviews are in. Technology is tough, but online school is pretty cool. Yay! Points for the Hawks. Because Hawks rise when we are reunited at last. What's our secret to success? Our community connections, helping each other, and having fun. We love our students. We love school. Hawks rise. Even when they're camera shy. We know how to study first and play later. This was brought to you by our web team. Check us out in our web t-shirts because Hoover Middle School is a place where everybody belongs. Thanks for watching.